Okay, as I stated earlier today, we have a test coming up on Friday. You're going to cover these items. 2-1, which is graphing and writing inequalities. That's basically you given a word problem or a small statement and you have to create an inequality to go with it, or vice versa. I give you the inequality and you have to create just a small statement from it, and then of course you have to graph it. The second one, 2-2, solving inequalities by adding or subtracting. 2-3, solving inequalities by multiplying or dividing. Now remember, on this section, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. And only if you multiply or divide by a negative number. Then, on the next section is 2-4. 2-4 is solving two-step and multi-step. So that would be something like 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. In that one, you would subtract the 3, then you would divide by the 2. So that's two-step. Or you could even change that into a fraction and put that over 5. And then you'd have multiply by 5, then subtract 3, and then divide everything by 2. Now, on this next section is 2-5. Oops, hold on. 2-5, which is solving inequalities with variables on both sides. And then finally, what you covered today is 2-6, solving compound inequalities. Now, when you come in tomorrow, I want you to take a look at the next couple of slides. You're going to have 3 problems that you're going to look at. First one is Sarik's last 4 test scores in history were 87, 85, 91, and 88. What scores on his next test will give him an average of 90 or above? So you're going to write and solve an inequality. Now I'm going to have you work in pairs tomorrow, so you're going to work with the person sitting next to you. So be ready to work on this. Problem number 2, Fernando is starting a new sales job and needs to decide which of the 2 salary plans to choose from. Plan A, he's going to earn $100 each week plus a $15% commission on all sales. And then he's going to have Plan B. He will earn $150 per week plus a 10% commission on all sales. You're going to write an expression for each plan. If S is Fernando's total weekly sales, now they're already defining the variable for you. And for what amount of weekly sales is Plan B better than Plan A? So be ready to discuss that at the beginning of class tomorrow. Finally, the last one is an extended one where it's a challenge. Notice the 2 stars on 3. So as a class, we're going to work through this together, and I'm going to take one volunteer to come to the board and have the class work on this problem, both all 3, A, B, and C. Okay? Also, tomorrow, when you come in, there will be a stack of blank computer paper. You need to take 4 sheets of paper because we're going to build a flip chart for inequalities. That is it. See you tomorrow.